Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemonade. First, you'll need about 6 to 8 fresh lemons, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 4 cups of cold water. This simple recipe creates a refreshing drink that's perfect for any occasion. We'll cover each step, from preparing your lemons to mixing the final beverage. Get ready to enjoy a delicious, homemade treat that's much better than store-bought options. To begin, roll your lemons on a hard surface before cutting them in half. This simple trick helps release more juice, ensuring you get the most out of each lemon. Next, squeeze out about 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. Then, prepare a simple syrup by combining 1 cup of sugar with 1 cup of hot water, stirring until the sugar completely dissolves. This syrup prevents a grainy texture in your lemonade. Now it's time to combine everything. In a large pitcher, pour in your fresh lemon juice, the simple syrup you just made, and 3 cups of cold water. Give it a good stir to ensure all the ingredients are perfectly blended. For the best taste, chill your lemonade in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully, making it extra refreshing. Your delicious homemade lemonade is now ready to enjoy. Serve it over plenty of ice, perhaps with a few fresh lemon slices or a sprig of mint for an elegant touch. Feel free to get creative with variations. Try adding muddled berries or a hint of ginger for a unique twist. For more great tips and deals, including information on the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below this video. Enjoy your refreshing drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.